Have you ever felt it? That hollow ache in your chest, the one that whispers, "You're not seen. You're not valued." Maybe it's the constant cancellations, the promises that evaporate, the feeling that your needs are always secondary. You give and you give, pouring your energy, your love, your very being into someone. And it feels like it just drains away, without a ripple of appreciation in return. If you're watching this, chances are you understand this feeling on a level that cuts deep. And you're not alone. For too long, you've probably been telling yourself stories. Maybe it's your fault. Maybe you're too much, or not enough. Maybe if you just try a little harder, give a little more, they'll finally see your worth. Let me tell you something, right here, right now. It's not you. It is never your responsibility to convince someone of your value. Your worth is inherent. It's not something you earn. It simply is. And staying in a situation where that truth is constantly being eroded, that's a slow, painful process that steals your light. This isn't about demonizing anyone. People have their reasons, their own struggles, but our focus isn't on their reasons. Our focus is on your well-being. The uncomfortable truth is this: continuing to invest in a relationship where you are consistently undervalued is a form of self-abandonment. Every time you accept less than you deserve, you send a message to yourself and to the world that you believe this is your standard, and you deserve so much more than that. It hurts. It's agonizing to face the reality that someone you care about, someone you've invested in, may not be capable of valuing you in the way you need and deserve. But facing this truth is the first step towards healing. It's the moment you reclaim your power. This video isn't about blaming, it's about empowering. It's about recognizing when a situation is no longer serving you and having the courage to choose a different path, a path that leads you back to yourself. To detach isn't to stop caring entirely overnight. That's often impossible. It's about detaching your well-being and your self-worth from their actions or inactions. It's about shifting your energy, your focus, and your investment from them to you. This is a process. It takes time, courage, and conscious effort. But it is absolutely possible, and you are capable of doing it. So, how do you begin this journey of detaching from someone who doesn't value you? We're going to break it down into 5 key, actionable steps. These aren't quick fixes. They are building blocks for a stronger, more resilient you. Step 1. Acknowledge and accept the reality. This is the foundation. Stop making excuses. Stop minimizing the hurtful behavior. Be brutally honest with yourself about what is happening and, importantly, what is not happening. They are not consistently showing up for you. They are not prioritizing you. This is the reality, and accepting it, while painful, frees you from the constant hope and disappointment loop. Journaling can be incredibly powerful here. Write down the specific instances where you felt undervalued. Don't judge, just document. This creates a concrete record that helps you move past denial. Step 2. Redefine your worth, separately from their opinion. This is perhaps the most crucial step. Your value is not determined by how someone else treats you. It is intrinsic. Start actively working on rebuilding your self-esteem. This could involve listing your positive qualities, reflecting on your accomplishments, spending time with people who do value and appreciate you, and intentionally practicing self-compassion. Repeat affirmations. Look in the mirror and tell yourself out loud that you are worthy, deserving, and enough. This isn't narcissistic. It's necessary self-preservation. Step 3. Establish clear and firm boundaries. This is where the rubber meets the road. Boundaries are not about controlling the other person. They are about protecting yourself. Decide what you are and are not willing to tolerate. This might mean not immediately responding to their texts, saying no to last-minute plans that feel like an afterthought, refusing to engage in conversations where you are being dismissed, or setting limits on how much emotional energy you invest. Communicate these boundaries clearly, calmly, and consistently, and be prepared to enforce them, even if it feels uncomfortable at first. Their reaction to your boundaries will tell you a lot. Step 4. Consciously limit contact. This is often the hardest practical step, especially if the relationship is intertwined in your life. But to detach, you need space. This could mean muting or unfollowing them on social media, reducing the frequency of communication, declining invitations to spend time together, or even, in some cases, a complete break from contact, at least for a period. The goal isn't to be mean. It's to create the emotional and mental distance needed to heal and refocus on yourself. This isn't about punishing them. It's about liberating you. Start gradually if you need to, but be intentional about creating that space. Step 5. Deeply invest in yourself and your life. This is where you channel the energy you were spending on the other person back into your own well-being and growth. Reconnect with hobbies you've neglected. Spend time with supportive friends and family. Pursue new interests. Focus on your physical health through exercise and nutrition. Prioritize your mental health through mindfulness, therapy, or self-care practices. Build a life that is so rich and fulfilling that their absence, or their lack of valuation, no longer occupies the central space it once did. This isn't a distraction. It's actively building a foundation of self-reliance and joy that is independent of external validation. I know what you might be thinking. This sounds impossible. What if they change? What if I regret it? These are completely valid fears. Detachment is a challenging process, and there will be moments of doubt and longing. It's okay to grieve the loss of the relationship as you wished it could be. But remember, you are not abandoning them. You are saving yourself. And while people can change, you cannot wait indefinitely for potential. Your well-being is in your hands right now. Trust that choosing yourself is the bravest, most loving thing you can do. Imagine a future where your happiness isn't contingent on someone else's approval. Imagine waking up feeling secure in your own skin, knowing your worth is unwavering. Imagine relationships in your life that are built on mutual respect, genuine appreciation, and effortless connection. This future isn't a fantasy. It's a reality you can create, starting today, by choosing to detach from what no longer serves you and dedicating that energy to building a life you truly love and value. This is about creating space for healthier, more fulfilling connections, including the most important one, the connection with yourself. If any part of this resonated with you, if you've felt undervalued and are ready to reclaim your power, I want to hear your story. You are not alone in this journey. Your experiences can help others. Right now, in the comments below, share one small step you are going to take this week to start detaching and prioritizing yourself. Just one step. Let's create a wave of support and encouragement for each other. If this video helped you, please give it a like. It helps us reach more people who need this message. And if you know someone who is struggling with feeling undervalued, share this video with them. You could be the catalyst for their change. And if you're ready to continue on this journey of self-discovery, empowerment, and building healthier relationships, make sure you're subscribed to this channel and have hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Detaching is a powerful act of self-love. Be patient with yourself, be kind to yourself, and remember that your worth is non-negotiable. Thank you for watching. You are strong, you are capable, and you are absolutely enough. We'll see you in the next video.